Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve longest repeating character replacement. In this problem we are given an string and a integer value k, and we have to check that if we change the string characters k time, so what will be our maximum length substring which has all same characters. Let's try run this with first example and try to find the intuition behind this problem step by step. The solution is kind of similar to the last problem. Please go check it out. After that you will understand it easily. That this is the problem sliding window in which we will take two variables, that is left and right, and we move forward the right, and if our condition will be break, then we move the left pointer, and side by side we have to take a hash set in which we will store the frequency of the characters. So if I start with the index 0 and store the frequency of A is 1 and the answer is also 1. That means the substring is 1, length 1. When we move forward, the right will be here, left will remain same, and as if we change this character, then we left with k equal to 1, so we can change it easily. So that will be AA. But before this we have to store the frequency of B character also, and the answer now will be 2. After that we increment the R, so the length of A will be, so the frequency will be 2 and R will be at this position. Again we move and now the answer will be 3. Again we move to the next position, and there are two characters, that is B and B, and 2 is less than equal to 2. So we can change both B and convert it to the A, which means our answer will be 4. And that's it. This is the simple example. We can take another example, that is A, B, and K will be 1. That means we can only change one character. So in that case, we can change the B and the answer will be 3. Because if we change the B, that will be wrong because we have to change the two characters, which is not possible because K is equal to the 1. So answer of this will be 3. But before returning the answer, we must have to check the last element also. So when we check, the K will be less than, our right minus left plus 1 minus maximum frequency will be greater than K, which is 2. Means we have to change the two characters, so we must have to increment the A, left pointer. So now the left pointer will be here and our right pointer will be here, but when we move forward the answer will also be 3, which means we can change A character to the B and the string will be BBB, which is also the answer. So the final is 3. Now let's move to the code explanation and implement the same logic we discussed on the board. First we take a array of size 26 because the maximum letters are 26, and we will store 0 means all the frequencies of the characters are 0. Then we will take a variable max frequency equal to 0 and answer 0 and variable left 0. Then we iterate over the string from the 0th position to the size of string. Then we increment the frequency, that will be frequency s of I minus capital A, as we are restoring the integer value in the frequency. After that we will take the maximum frequency, so that will be max of max frequency and frequency of s of I minus A. After that we have to check if I minus left plus 1 minus max frequency is greater than k. This is the opposite of the condition that we have written before, that less than equal to. Here we are writing the greater than, which means same. And there we have taken the right and it is equal to the I. And if we got the condition, then we have to decrement the frequency and increment the left pointer, and here we will take the maximum of answer comma I minus left plus 1. That means the length of longest substring containing the same letter. And in last we return our answer. Let's run this code, submit it. Its time complexity will be big O of n, as we are iterating over the string, and the space complexity is big O of 26, as we are storing the frequency and these are the constant values, and big O of 26 is also kind of constant, so the overall space complexity will be big O of 1. And that's it. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one.